My new life. Hi, my name is Anna. I am 24 years old. I live in a small apartment in the city. My apartment is not big, but I like it very much. It is clean, quiet, and comfortable. I live alone. Sometimes I feel lonely, but most of the time I enjoy my quiet home. I like simple things. I like reading books. I like walking in the park. I like drinking tea by the window. Today is a very important day. It is my first day at a new job. I feel excited. I also feel a little nervous. Many people feel nervous before they start something new. I think that is normal. My alarm rings at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes. For a few seconds I stay in bed. Then I remember that today is my first day. I smile. I get out of bed. The first thing I do is make my bed. I like my room to look tidy. Then I open the window. Fresh air comes into my room. The morning feels peaceful. The sky is blue. The sun is shining. The weather is perfect. I take a deep breath. The fresh air makes me feel calm. After that, I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my hair. Then I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I want to start the day with a happy face. Next, I go to the kitchen. I feel hungry. I decide to make a simple breakfast. I cook 2 eggs. I make 2 pieces of toast. I also make a cup of hot tea. I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I do not like eating quickly. While I eat, I think about my new job. I wonder what my office looks like. I wonder what kind of people work there. I hope they are kind. I hope I can learn many new things. When I finish breakfast, I wash my plate, cup and fork. I always like leaving the kitchen clean. Then I go back to my bedroom. I open my wardrobe. I choose a white shirt. I choose black trousers. I polish my shoes. I want to look neat and professional. After I get dressed, I pack my bag. I put my phone inside. I put my wallet inside. I put my keys inside. I also take a notebook and a pen. I like writing notes. Writing helps me remember new things. Before I leave, I look around my apartment. Everything looks clean. Everything is ready. I lock the door. Then I begin walking to the bus stop. The streets are already busy. Many people are walking to work. Some people are drinking coffee. Some people are talking on their phones. Some people are walking very fast. Everyone seems to have somewhere to go. I enjoy watching people. Every person has a different story. After about 10 minutes, I arrive at the bus stop. Several people are already waiting. The bus arrives on time. I get on the bus. I find an empty seat by the window. The bus starts moving. I look outside. The city slowly wakes up. The shops begin to open. A bakery fills the street with the smell of fresh bread. A flower shop has many beautiful flowers. Red roses, yellow sunflowers, pink tulips. The flowers make me smile. Soon I see tall office buildings. The bus gets closer to my stop. I press the stop button. The bus stops. I get off carefully. My office building is across the street. I wait for the traffic light. When the light turns green, I cross the road. Now I am standing in front of the building. It is taller than I expected. Many people are walking inside. For a moment, I feel nervous again. My heart beats a little faster. Then I take a deep breath. I remind myself that every expert was once a beginner. Today is only the beginning. I open the door, I step inside, I smile,